So, saan ka daw ba pwede mag-apply for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa? So, you can do it two ways. You can either sa Philippines mismo mag-apply, sa BLS, they have both in Cebu and Makati, dun ka magsasubmit ng documents. Pero ang mag-check niyan ay yung Spain Consulate or yung Spain Embassy. Or, pwede ka mag-directly apply here on UHE, dito sa Spain mismo, pero kailangan nandito ka. That means either nandito ka na sa Schengen area or meron kang tourist visa. So, yung UHE means Unidad de Grandes Empresas, which basically ito yung parang government division na nag-handle ng, like inclusivity and immigration dito sa Spain. So, with this both, meron silang pros and cons, which I talked about in another video here on TikTok. But definitely, you get the 3-year here in Spain pag dito ka directly mag-a-apply. And you get 1 year. Doon naman if mag-a-apply ka sa BLS Makati or sa Cebu. Of course, iba yung waiting times nila sa paglabas ng resolution. And then, of course, yung 1 year mo naman, pagkarating mo here sa Spain, pwede ka mag-reapply ka agad for the 3-year residence authorization. Ayun, I hope that helps and thank you so much for watching. Ciao!